So for today's bracelet, we will make this crystal beaded bracelet. So let's start. Our materials for today are 4mm of Swarovski Bicone beads and 4mm of Czech crystal beads, round crystal beads, Miyuki 11 ivory seed beads, jump ring, and toggle clasp, set of toggle clasp. We also need, of course, beading thread and beading needle. This is a 0.20mm of beading nylon thread. So the first step is I will make the loop part. So we will make the circle of our bracelet. So I'll pick 611 and I'll pass the needle once again, and then knot them. Like this. So I think you can see the combination of our beads. So that's why I changed the color of our mat. So I'll pass the needle about I think these 2 seed beads, and to this one. So I will pick the next combination. It will be like this. So the next is I pick 1 crystal beads, 111, 1 crystal, 111, 1 crystal, 111, and 1 crystal. So we have 4 crystal and 311. So we are exiting from this 11, so I will pass through from the opposite side of our working thread like this. So I will pass the needle here to these 2 beads until I reach here, like this. So it should be like this. Okay, so I will pick the next combination. I'll pick 1 4mm of Swarovski 111, 1 Bicone beads 111, 1 Bicone beads 111, and 1 Bicone bead. So I pull it down like this, and we are exiting from here. So I will pass the needle from the opposite side. Okay, so I will flip it over like this, and I will pass the needle here and until here. So the first process is just like this, and I will make some unit and until we reach the 16 centimeter of our bracelet. So I'll be back. We made about 16 centimeters. So the next process is we will do this part. Okay, so we are exiting here, from here to this seed beads. So we will pick 311 and 1 Bicone beads. So we are exiting here to this 11, and I will pass through the needle, through these seed beads. So pull the thread. It will be like this. Okay, so the next is we are exiting from here to this 11 0, and I will pick Bicone and 3 11 0 seed beads. So we're exiting here to this 11 0, and I will pass the needle to this 11 0 seed beads like this. I will zoom it more so you can see it more clearly, and I will make it once again. So I will pick 3 seed beads, 1 Bicone bead. So we are exiting here to this 11 0, and I will pass the needle to this 11 0 like this. Give some pull to make it more. And I will pick 1 Bicone beads and 3 11 0. So we are exiting from here, and I will pass the needle to this 11 0. So we will repeat it until we reach here. So I make the other unit and I'll be back. So this is our bracelet like this, and I just attach my last part and knot them. So I will cut the thread and burn it. So let's attach our clasp. And where is it? Okay. And this is our jump ring and the clasp. And we do it also here. So this is our clasp. We attach the clasp and done. This is our bracelet for today. I hope you like it, and thank you for watching. I hope I can give you some ideas for your bracelet making. So bye. Thank you for watching.